issue, and we're going back to manufacturing, we do stuff. This is not information, pure information technology. You need to produce. And venture capital is really, really good at financing early stage, so from the lab to the prototype, and from the prototype to small-scale production. From a few million to a few tens of millions of investments. And then infrastructure finance is really good at replicating scaled production that works. The difficult bit is going from small scale to large scale production, because that requires tens of millions of euros, sometimes hundreds of millions of euros, fairly risky. And the cost of capital of venture is too high. The cheaper capital from infrastructure finance, whatever, is not available yet. So that's probably the gap that needs to be bridged.